समस्त गौड़िया वैष्णववृंद की जय। श्री श्याभार लाल की जय। प्यारे बिहारी लाल जो की जय। श्री राधा माधव जो की जय। गंगा महारानी यमुना महारानी की जय। शहद्वार की जय। युग धर्म हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र की जय। संकीर्तनकारी भक्त वृंद की जय। जय जय श्री राधे। जय जय श्री राधे। श्याम हरे कृष्ण।
ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकाय सदामे कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरविष्वै नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनविरह कातुराजवाह पुत्रेति तन्मयतया सर्वोऽपि नेदुस्ताम् सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतस्मै। रागचिन्तनिवेशिनं यस्य कान्तिविलोपितं श्रीकृष्णचरणं वन्दे राधालिङ्गितं विग्रहम्। भक्त्यां विहीनयपराधलक्ष्ये शिष्टस्तकामादितराङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि तं शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। एक बार सभी आप उठाकर बोलिए हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। और एक बार जोर से
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
बोलो भागवत महापुराण की
जय।
परम मंगल श्रीमद् भागवती कथा जिसमें आज हमारी कथा का
Most auspicious Shri Bhagavad Katha, and today is our 5th day.
ऐसा लगता है
It seems
दूर दराज देश से आए भक्तों को
devotees who came from very far,
अधिक प्रिय लग रहा है।
they
कथा तो
are
सुनते रहते हैं, लेकिन गंगा जी
liking
के
kirtan
कीर्तन हो रहा है
much more.
और गंगा जी भी अपने लहरों से नृत्य कर रही है। क्यों?
Ganga ji also is dancing with her
राधा जी
waves.
की
Why?
गुणों को शब्द करके
Hearing
राधा
the
जी की
glories
गुणों को
of Radharani, hearing the name of
नदियां भी
Radharani,
नाचने लग जाती।
even the rivers start dancing.
क्यों नाचती है?
Why do they dance?
बोलते हमारे ब्रज में
It says that in our Braj,
सारे देवताओं के आराध्य
the worshipable of all demigods,
अवतारी है वो कृष्ण,
the source of all incarnation, Shri Krishna, who is Supreme
वे
Lord
नृत्य
himself,
करते हैं।
he also dances.
उनको देखकर
And seeing him
राधा
dance,
जी भी नृत्य करती है,
Radharani also dances.
और इन युगल सरकार को
And
देखकर सारी
seeing
गोपियां नृत्य
this
करती हैं।
divine couple, all the gopis starts dancing.
और जब ये सब नृत्य करते हैं तो
And when they all start
सारी नदियां भी
dancing,
नृत्य करती
then
हैं।
all the
और इन सबको नृत्य कराने वाला एक ही
rivers
वस्तु है
also start
प्रकृति,
dancing. And there is only
हमारे
one
ब्रज की
thing
एक ही
which
वस्तु
makes everyone dance,
जो सबको नृत्य कराती है, वो है प्रेम।
that is love.
और इन सबको नृत्य करता हूँ देखता हूँ,
And
प्रेम भी
seeing
स्वयं
everyone
नाचने लगता है।
dancing like this, the love itself starts
ब्रज में
dancing.
कहा,
That's why in Braj it has been said,
कृष्ण नाचे
नाचे गोपीगण,
मन मेरा बन गए और सखी पावन वृंदावन।
राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे गोपीगण,
मन मेरा बन गए और सखी पावन वृंदावन।
कृष्ण नाचे नाचे गोपीगण, मन मेरा बन गए और सखी पावन वृंदावन।
राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे गोपीगण, मन मेरा बन गए और सखी पावन वृंदावन।
गंगा नाचे नाचे नदीगण, मन मेरा बन गए और सखी पावन वृंदावन।
गंगा नाचे यमुना नाचे नाचे गोपीगण, मन मेरा बन गए और सखी पावन वृंदावन।
ये भजन स्मरण इसलिए हुआ है कि गंगा जी भी नाच रही हैं।
I just remembered this bhajan because Ganga ji also is dancing today. Why she's dancing today? Does she not dance every day?
लेकिन कभी उम्र
Yes.
इतनी बढ़ जाती है,
But sometimes the
भावना
bliss
इतनी बढ़ जाती
increases
है,
so much,
फिर तो पैर रुकते ही नहीं।
the bliss increases so much
अब कल
that
की ही
the
बात ले लो,
feet does not stop.
कल कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी मनाई, भागवत जी के
See,
अंतर्गत
yesterday we
कृष्ण
celebrated
जन्माष्टमी
Krishna Janmashtami.
मनाई। अरे अभी तो कृष्ण जन्म की कथा ही नहीं हुई,
Arey,
पैर ही नहीं
कृष्ण
रुके सब। नंद के
birth
घर
pastime
आनंद
was
में
not even described and everyone started dancing
बस
yesterday.
नाचने लग गए।
Everyone started dancing before
और देख रहा था
the
गंगा जी खूब नाच रही है।
description.
आज मेरे प्रभु
And I
का
was saying
जन्म
Ganga ji
उत्सव
was
मनाया।
dancing that, oh, my Prabhu's
अब आप
birthday
कहेंगे
is being
जन्माष्टमी तो
celebrated.
भाद्र मास में
Now
आती है,
you would say
वो
that
भी अगस्त
Janmashtami
महीने में।
comes in the month of August.
हाँ,
Yes, true.
इस ब्रह्मांड में जब श्री
In
कृष्ण
this
का जन्म हुआ,
Brahmand,
तो
when Shri
भाद्र
Krishna
मास की
took
अष्टमी
birth,
के दिन जन्म हुआ।
He took birth in Bhadramas Ashtami.
लेकिन एक अद्भुत बात ये
But the
है
blissful,
या
the great
स्वाभाविक
topic
बात ये
is
है
that the natural point here is that
कि अनंत कोटि ब्रह्मांड है और हर एक
there
क्षण
are millions and trillions
कहीं ना
of
कहीं श्री
universes,
कृष्ण का
and
जन्म उत्सव
every
मनाया
second, somewhere or other, Krishna's
एक
birth
ब्रह्मांड
pastime
में
has been celebrated.
खरबों
Is
खरबों
getting
खरबों
celebrated.
ब्रह्मांड है।
There are millions and
और
trillions
श्री
of
कृष्ण
universes, and
एक
Shri
ब्रह्मांड
Krishna,
में जन्म उत्सव की लीला को संपन्न करते हैं
he
तो दूसरे ब्रह्मांड में आरंभ
fulfills
हो जाती है।
Krishna's birth
फिर तीसरे
pastime.
में, फिर
Then
चौथे
it
में,
starts
ये निरंतर
in
चलता
the
रहता
another
है।
Brahman,
इसी
another
भागवत
universe,
जी के
and then
अंतर्गत
another universe, another
यदि हम
universe. So this
कृष्ण
keeps on
जन्म उत्सव
happening
को मनाते
every
हैं,
time,
तो
every
किसी न किसी
second.
ब्रह्मांड
So
में
whenever
वो
we are
उत्सव मनाया
celebrating
जाता है।
Krishna's
और उस
birth,
ब्रह्मांड
so
के
in
उत्सव
some
के
universe,
साथ
Krishna's
भागवत
birth
जी
is
का
actually
जन्म उत्सव
happening,
का जो तालमेल हो
and
जाता है,
that
हम बैठे
Krishna's
भिखारी
birth
वाले
is
जीवों को
actually combining with
कृष्ण की
Bhagavad
बात
Ji's
करते हैं।
birth. So
बोलो कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल।
people like us, we get mercy by this combination.
आज तो गंगा जी
Now,
बड़ी उमंग से और
Today,
तेज नृत्य
Ganga ji is dancing even more. Why? More than yesterday. Because today is not Krishna
आज तो
Janam.
हम उनके जन्म का
Today we
उत्सव
will
करेंगे।
hear the description of the birth pastime of that personality whose one signal makes Krishna dance.
देखो,
See,
है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत
है
सदा,
प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा,
हम गीत वहाँ के गाते हैं,
हम गीत वहाँ के गाते हैं,
ब्रज के रहने वाले हैं और ब्रज की बात सुनाते हैं। हम ब्रज के हैं
See,
अर्थात ब्रज की ही
we only sing the glories of that place where we have attachment. So naturally, we sing the glories and songs of Braj. This is the essence of this line.
बद्रीनाथ
In
में,
Haridwar, in
रामेश्वरम
Badrinath,
में,
in Rameshwaram,
कहीं पर भी
wherever we go,
श्री कृष्ण को न जाने क्या क्या कहा गया।
everywhere Shri Krishna has been said different things. Like, oh, Krishna is Ishwar, Krishna is Supreme Lord, He is the topmost, He is most potent.
लेकिन जानते हो हमारे ब्रज में क्या कहा?
But you know what is said in our Braj?
हमारे ब्रज में कहा,
In our Braj it has been said,
सुन
सुन बरसाने वाली गुलाम तेरो बनवारी.
सुन बरसाने वाली गुलाम तेरो बनवारी. सुन बरसाने वाली गुलाम तेरो बनवारी. सुन बरसाने वाली गुलाम तेरो बनवारी. ये होता है जब गला ठीक हो जाता है.
This is what happens when the throat gets cured.
क्योंकि गान करने की इच्छा हो जाती है.
Then naturally the desire to
ये
sing
हमारे
comes.
ब्रज की रीति है भाई.
This is the style of our Braj.
क्योंकि हमारे ब्रज में
Because in our
दो
Braj
नदियां बहती हैं.
there are two rivers that flows.
आप पूछेंगे दो नदी कौन
You
सी?
would ask, what are the two rivers?
यहाँ तो गंगा जी बह रही
Here
है
Ganga ji flows
और बह रही हैं.
and she's flowing.
और वृंदावन में
And
कौन सी
in
नदी बह रही है?
Vrindavan, which river
आप
flows?
सोचो,
Tell me.
जमुना जी बह रही है.
Jamuna
लेकिन
ji.
एक और नदी
But
बह
there
रही
is
है.
one more river,
वो कौन सी?
What is that?
वो प्रेम की नदी.
river of love.
और प्रेम की नदियाँ उलट बहती धार.
And
प्रेम की जो
this
नदी
river
है,
of
उसकी
love
धार सीधी
always
नहीं
flows
बहती.
in the reverse direction.
उसकी धार उल्टी ही बहती है. जहाँ पर वो श्री कृष्ण जो पर ब्रह्म है, जो
That place
सत्यम
where
परम
Shri Krishna,
धीमहि है,
Parabrahma, who is Satyam
जो
Param Dhimahi,
कृष्णस्तु भगवान स्वयं है,
Krishnastu
जो
Bhagwan
ईश्वर
Swayam,
परम कृष्ण है,
who is Ishwar Parama Krishna, who is Sarva Karana Karanam, who is the cause of all
जो सभी
causes.
कारणों के कारण है, वो श्री कृष्ण
That Shri Krishna,
गुलाम तेरो बनवारी.
Gulam Tero Banwari,
सुन बरसाने वाली.
that he becomes the servant
राधा
of
जी, वो श्री कृष्ण
Radha
आके
Rani. So, O Radharani, that supreme personality of Godhead Shri Krishna is actually present,
क्योंकि हमारे ब्रज
being
में
your
राजा,
servant.
भले ही कहा गया
See, although it has been said that the king of Braj
हमारे
is,
ब्रज के रखवाले
we have said,
कन्हैया राधिका
हमारे
रानी.
ब्रज के रखवाले means the protector of our Braj is Kanhaiya Radhika Rani.
और कोई तीसरा
We
रक्षक
we
नहीं.
have only two protectors, no third
कौन से दो
protector.
रक्षक?
Who are the two protectors?
बोलते हैं हमारे ब्रज के रखवाले.
हमारे ब्रज के
हमारे
रखवाले means
कौन
our
है?
Braj
कन्हैया
protector.
राधिका
They
रानी.
are Radhika Rani,
एक तो
Kanhaiya
कन्हैया और
Radhika
दूसरा
Rani.
कौन? आवाज नहीं आ रही. ये तो ऊपर ऊपर की बात है,
This is just an external thing.
लेकिन अंदर की बात
But
तो ये है
the internal point here is, the
कि
more
उस ब्रज के
confidential point
रखवाले
here
श्री
is
कृष्ण के रखवाली भी कौन? राधा जी.
that the protector of Shri Krishna also is
एक ही
Srimati
रखवाले
Radha
हमारे
Rani.
तो राधा जी.
We have
इसलिए हमारे
only
भक्त
one
कहते
protector,
हैं
that is
हम
Radha
शाक्त
ji.
हैं.
That's why we say that we are Shaktas, means we are the worshipper of potency, of Shakti. Which Shakti, which
बोलते हैं
potency?
अंतरंग शक्ति.
Antaranga potency, internal
श्री
potency.
कृष्ण की अंतरंग
Shri
शक्ति
Krishna's
श्री राधा जी.
internal potency, Srimati Radha
श्री
Rani.
कृष्ण की हलादनी शक्ति श्री
Shri
राधा जी.
Krishna's Haladini Shakti, Srimati Radha Rani.
हम उनके उपासक थे.
We are the worshipper of that.
क्यों?
Why?
श्री ब्रह्म मधु गौड़ीय संप्रदाय.
Because Shri Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Sampradaya. We are from Shri Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Sampradaya. And our worshipable master is Srimati Radha Rani.
वे राधा जी कौन? उनकी
Who is
महिमा
that
क्या
Radha Rani?
है?
What are her glories?
और उनकी जन्म गाथा क्या है?
What are the,
कुछ मिनटों में
what is the beautiful birth
जो
pastime of Radha
असंभव है,
Rani?
लेकिन प्रयास
It's
करते हैं.
impossible to describe in few minutes, but we will try to hear
आज हम
the
राधा
pastime of Radha Rani's
बोलो
birth.
श्री राधा
We
रानी
will
की.
celebrate Radhashtami today. All glories to Radha Rani. See,
ये कोई एक ही बात थोड़ा कि द्वापर में श्री कृष्ण
this is
आते
not
हैं, फिर
just
दोबारा नहीं
once
आते,
that
पहले
Krishna
नहीं थे.
comes in Dwapar and he never comes after
ये
that,
निरंतर.
or he was not there before his arrival.
ब्रह्मा जी के एक दिन में एक बार श्री कृष्ण का
Krishna
आगमन होता है.
comes in one day of Brahma once.
ब्रह्मा जी का एक दिन
Brahma ji is one day
ये पृथ्वी जैसा एक दिन नहीं होता.
is not equivalent to
देखो कितने घंटों में दिन बीत गया.
the day of our
अभी सुबह
earth.
उठे थे, गंगा स्नान करके आए और खाते
We woke
पीते
up in the
देखते
morning,
संध्या हो गई,
we
रात
did
हो
Ganga
गई.
Snan, we ate, and now it's
ब्रह्मा जी
almost
का एक दिन
night
ऐसा
time.
नहीं होता.
It's almost evening.
ब्रह्मा जी का
But
दिन
Brahma
ऐसा.
ji's time is not so fast.
4 युग
Brahma ji is
सतयुग,
one day.
त्रेता, द्वापर और कलयुग।
Let me calculate. 4 yugas, Satyug, Treta, Dwapar, Kalyug. In these 4 yugas, they passes 71
तो
times.
उनको एक मनवंतर कहा
Then
जाता है।
it is called as one Manvantara.
और ऐसे जब 14
And like this,
मनवंतर
when
बीतते
14
हैं,
Manvantaras passes,
तो ब्रह्मा जी का एक दिन होता है।
then Brahma ji's one day pass.
4 युग 71 बार बीतते हैं,
4 yugas passes 71 times,
तो एक मनवंतर कहा जाता है।
then it is called one
और
Manvantara.
ऐसे जब 14
And like
मनवंतर
this,
बीतते हैं, तो
when
ब्रह्मा
14
जी का
Manvantar
एक
passes,
दिन होता है।
then that
और
is
उतनी
equivalent
बड़ी
to
रात होती है।
just 12 hours of Brahma ji,
तो
daytime,
ब्रह्मा जी
and
के हर एक
similarly
दिन में श्री
night,
कृष्ण
12 hours
का
night.
जन्म उत्सव होता है,
So-
जो कल हमने मनाया।
In one day of Brahma, Krishna appears.
इसलिए श्री सुखदेव जी
So
ने
that's
कहा,
why Shri Shukdev Goswami said, Nandastu Atmaj Utpanya Jat Halad Mahamanohara.
श्री सुखदेव जी कह रहे हैं, नंद जी के यहाँ पर कहीं से लाया
Shukdev
हुआ पुत्र
Goswami
नहीं
is
है।
saying that
नंदस्तु
Krishna is
आत्मज
not the
उत्पन्ने।
son
नंद
of
जी आपके घर में
Vasudev, he is
आपका ही
actually the
आत्मज,
son of Nanda Maharaj.
अर्थात आपके ही पुत्र ने
He is saying
जन्म
that
लिया
Krishna
है।
was not brought
ये
from
कहीं से
outside.
लाया हुआ पुत्र नहीं
This
है।
is Nanda Maharaj's own son, it's not something brought from
जैसे ही बालक
outside.
के जन्म की कथा
And
को
as soon as
नंद बाबा ने श्रवण
Krishna's birth pastime, when Nanda Baba heard,
किया, तुरंत जमुना जी में स्नान
at
किया।
once he went
और स्नान
to
करने
take
के
bath in
पश्चात
Yamuna ji,
स्नान
and after
और
taking
शुद्धि
bath, what he did?
श्री नंद बाबा श्रृंगार करके विराजमान,
Shinand Baba
बड़े
is
सुंदर
ready
सफेद रंग के
with
वस्त्र
nice
धारण
ornaments
करके,
and new clothes,
बगल बंदी, उस पर भी बड़ी सुंदर पगड़ी,
very
और
beautiful
पगड़ी में
turban
मोतियों की माला,
filled
कानों
with
में
many
हीरे के
pearls,
कुंडल, और
earrings,
गले में
necklace.
मोतियों की माला, चरणों में
charanon mein
बड़े सुंदर कड़वा धारण कर रखे हैं।
very beautiful bangles.
ऐसे श्रृंगार युक्त हुए श्री नंद बाबा जो ब्रजराज स्वरूप में विराजमान है,
Such Nand Baba, who is
और श्री नंद बाबा ने
present
खूब
as
दान दिया,
Brajraj, king of Braj, he donated so
क्योंकि
much
नंद के घर कन्हैया नहीं भयो,
because in the house of Nand Baba, who appeared not Kanhaiya but actually bliss personified himself, he took birth.
इसलिए
That's
जो
why
नंद बाबा के सामने आता,
whoever used to come in front of Nand Baba,
जो मांगते वही उपहार दे देते,
Nand Baba used to give whatever gift they are
सोने
asking.
के, हीरे के, ये सब अलंकार,
Gift
तो हम नंद
of
बाबा से
gold,
प्रार्थना करते हैं, बाबा
gift of diamonds,
आप सबको
whatever.
गैया बांट रहे हैं,
So we pray to Nanda Baba that, oh Nanda Baba, you are distributing everything to everyone. You are distributing gold, silver, diamond, necklace, cows.
कुछ मांग रहे
We
हैं,
are also standing in the queue begging for something. What we are begging? Oh Nanda Baba, Krishna se tomar, Krishna dite par, tomar shakati ache, ami to kangal, Krishna Krishna boli, dhai tava pache
कन्हैया तो
pache.
आपके ही हैं,
Oh Nanda Baba, Kanhaiya is yours. We are also
आपके ही कन्हैया की भक्ति को, उस प्रेम को हम भी
coming,
मानते हैं।
sitting on the knees. We also beg in front of you to give us Kanhaiya. Because Nanda Baba is very happy today. He can give anything. So we beg for Krishna that, oh Nanda Baba, please provide Krishna to me. So all glories to Nanda Baba. Now Nanda Baba is called as Shreva Mahodyam. Nanda Kim Akrodha Brahma Shreya.
यशोदा व महाभागा तपो यस्य स्तनम हरि। श्री नंद जी बड़े महाशय हैं, बड़े विद्वान
Sri
हैं,
Nanda Baba is very
लेकिन
great
यशोदा मैया का
scholar.
क्या सौभाग्य
He is
है,
very intelligent.
जो मैया
Now,
कन्हैया
what is
को
the
अपने
glory of
स्तन
Nanda
पान
Baba?
कराती है।
And now what to speak of the glories of Yashoda Maya who breastfeed Krishna.
पेट में इतनी भूख
See,
है,
our Gurudev used to say that Krishna's stomach has so much hunger that howsoever milk he drink does not get satisfied. And Yashoda Maya's breast have so much milk that even big oceans get filled.
वात्सल्य स्नेह में यशोदा
Whole
मैया
ocean of milk gets created.
का अहोभाग्य।
So that Yashoda Maya, she is the topmost pinnacle of Vatsalya. Regarding Yashoda Maya, Kunti Devi glorifies, saying that Krishna, who is fear personified, Even the fear personified gets fearful of Krishna. That same Krishna today is shivering out of fear in front of Yashoda Maya. This never happened in any incarnation where the mother of the Lord has taken stick in the hand and the Lord himself is shivering out of fear. This only happened in Braj Leela. This only happens with Krishna, where Kanhaiya steals butter. Complaints come for Krishna, and Yashoda Maya, she takes stick in the hand, and Krishna starts shivering out of fear, and tears of trauma, tears of fear, they start coming from the eyes of Krishna. This never happened in any other incarnation.
श्री राम जी भी प्रेम के कारण रोए.
Shri Ramji also cried out of love. Shri Narsingh Bhagwan also cried out of love, seeing Prahlad ji, little Prahlad ji. Shri Kapil Bhagwan also cried. All the incarnations of the Lord, they cried out of a very strong parental affection. But no incarnation, no personality of God cried out of terror. This is only Kanhaiya who, just seeing the eyes of angry eyes of Yashoda Maya, then out of terror, Krishna is crying, thinking that Yashoda Maya may beat me any time. Now see this. Why did Yashoda Maya did not? Why will Yashoda Maya not beat Kanhaiya? Because Kanhaiya do all these kind of mischiefs, so he deserved this. Maya says that okay, you eat nice things, that's fine. But till now you were eating butter from others' house, that's also fine. But leaving butter, you started eating mud. This is enough. In our Braj, there is this Brahmand Ghat where Kanhaiya is thinking in his mind that what is there in our Braj, that whoever comes here, they always beg for the dust of Braj. What is this? What special is there? What are the glories of the dust of Vrindavan, of this land of Braj? Big Brahma, Rudra, Narad ji, they all come and they want to attain dust of Braj. If a great devotee leaves the body in Braj, then it is not said that he is dead. He died. We don't say like this. Or they don't even say that he left his body. No, these things are not said in Braj. They say that either he attained Golok or there is a better version of saying it, more sweeter version. They say, oh, this saint attained the dust of Braj. Golok, Vaikuntha, it's lesser than this. The superior of all these destinations is attaining the dust of Braj. What is there in this dust of Braj? What special is there? That dust is not an ordinary dust. That dust of Braj is the dust of the lotus feet of Radharani. For which? To attain which? To attain the dust of the lotus feet of Radharani, Uddhav ji, who is so intelligent, who is so wise, that Uddhav ji also, to attain that dust of Vrindavan, he sits in Govardhan in Uddhav Kund and is doing extreme austerity in the form of a blade of grass. Uddhav ji came in Braj, right? Shri Krishna sent Uddhav in Braj. You all are very intelligent. You keep hearing Bhagavad Kathas many times. So that's why I am not going deep into this. But I am telling you the main essential topic here. The essential point here is that Shri Krishna sent Uddhav ji in Braj. Gacho Uddhav Brajam Saumya. Gopi Namma Yogadi Ma Sandesh Vimochaya. Shri Krishna is saying to Uddhav ji that Uddhav, go to Braj and give, console my parents, and don't apply your brain, just give my message to these gopis and console them. Don't apply your brain at all, don't apply your intelligence. So let me explain in brief. Uddhav ji came in Braj, he saw the love of Braj and his mind wobbled. He just got really confused. He thought that I have never seen this kind of love. This kind of love was not seen in Ram Leela also. That love which is seen here in Braj. Would you like to understand what that prem is, what that love is?
जैसे माताएं घर में चावल बनाती हैं ना,
For example,
तो जाता है तो कैसे देखते हैं? एक
when
चावल
Matajis, they cook rice, how they get to know it is cooked? They just take one little rice and check that if it is boiled, if it is cooked or not. If it is cooked, that means the whole pan of rice is cooked. So just by one point we will understand the
मथुरा गए, द्वारका चले गए।
level of love of Braj. Shri Krishna left Vrindavan, went to Mathura and Dwarka. Nand Baba behind is crying and crying. Yashoda Maya is crying out of separation. That separation, the fire of separation is burning their heart.
लेकिन क्या नंद बाबा ने
But
उस
did
लहर
Nand
में
Baba
अपने प्राणों को त्यागा?
leave his body in that
दूसरी ओर
separation?
रामलीला में देखा
On the
गया,
other side, it has been observed in Ram
श्री
Leela,
दशरथ जी ने
Shri Dashrath
राम
Maharaj,
जी के वीरे में
he,
बस
out
दो
of
बार
separation
राम को
from
कहा,
Ramji, he just
राम,
called out Ram twice,
और
Ram,
शरीर को त्यागा।
Ram,
वीरे
and he left his
सहन
body.
नहीं हो पाया।
He could not, his body could not hold that
तो
separation.
देखने में लग रहा है
So
कि
it
ये
seems
श्रेष्ठ
externally
है।
that this
वीरे
is
सहन नहीं
superior.
हो रहा।
He is not able to control, he is not able to bear that separation. But no, see from the eyes of
श्री दशरथ जी
scriptures,
पिता हुए,
Shri Dashrath ji
नंद बाबा ही पिता हुए।
is the father, Nand Baba also is the father.
राम जी के वीरे में दशरथ जी ने अपने प्राणों
In
को
the
त्यागा।
separation of Ramji, Dashrath Maharaj
लेकिन
left
श्री
his
कृष्ण के
body.
वीरे में श्री नंद जी अपने
But
प्राणों को त्याग नहीं
in
पाए।
separation from Krishna, Nand Baba is not
बड़े
able
कष्ट से
to
अपने प्राणों को संभाले
leave his
हुए,
body.
बड़े कष्ट से।
With so much pain, with so much
लेकिन प्राण
suffering,
नहीं छोड़
he
रहे।
is
क्यों?
bearing that
उद्धव जी के
separation
सामने
and
की
holding
बात
his
कही।
life here. Why? Because
उद्धव,
in front of Uddhav he said that, oh
100
Uddhav,
बार प्राण त्याग दें,
if we want, we can
लेकिन यदि
die
कन्हैया को
100
पता
times.
लगा
But if Kanhaiya gets to know
कि कन्हैया के वीरे
that
में
out of separation from Kanhaiya, in the pain of separation from Kanhaiya, his father Nand Baba has actually left his body, then hearing this, Kanhaiya will become very sad. Kanhaiya will feel heartbroken. He will feel so much bad that because of me, my father died. So, because Kanhaiya will be sad, I do not want, I will never become the cause of Krishna's sadness. I will never become the cause of my Kanhaiya's suffering. So this word love is like that only, in which the personality whom you love, you cannot actually bear any kind of suffering to that beloved. Nand Baba is holding his life here with so much pain, but he is not ready to give up his body. Ramji's pastime is full of standards, and Krishna Leela is full of prem, full of love. When we compare love with standards, then always love is more heavy. Standard is inferior. Standards are inferior in front of love. So this is the mood of Braj. That's why Uddhav ji also came to attain the dust of that Braj. And he also saw that Radhaji's glories is so much. So Uddhav ji desired to become just one blade of grass. So that Uddhav ji in Uddhav Kund in Govardhan, he is serving, becoming a blade of grass just for one intention, just to attain the dust of the lotus feet of Radharani. How many of you have been to Barsana Dham? We have to walk on a mountain. You know what that mountain is? Shri Brahma ji is that mountain. Brahma ji became the mountain. Why? Oh, Radharani's lotus feet should come on me. So that's why Brahma ji became that hill under Radharani's palace, Vrishbhanupur. Someone is becoming stone, someone is becoming blade of grass. And when we talk about Shivji, Mahadev Baba, with folded hands, he glorifies Radharani.
कि राधा जी हमको एक कृपा की
calling
कटाक्ष मिल
out
जाए।
for the one sidelong glance
आपकी
of
कृपा
mercy,
को प्राप्त करना बहुत ऊंची बात है।
saying, "O Radharani, attaining your mercy is very high.
If
If I just get one sidelong, merciful glance of yours, my life will be successful." This is what Shivji is saying. Where Narad Ji, who gives blessings to Dhruv, Prahlad and so many different personalities, just by blessing who can give Krishna to anyone. That same Narad Ji also is sitting in Narad Kund in Govardhan, and he is also performing some austerities. For what? Just to attain the dust of the lotus feet of Radharani. This is the glory of the dust of Braj,
जिसके सामने सारा वैकुंठ बिक जाएगा,
in front of which the whole Vaikunt can get sold.
वो ब्रज की एक धूल के सामने
Just one particle of dust of Braj, even the Vaikuntha, many Vaikunthas can be sold.
वो चरण धूल की
Why? Because that dust particle is off from the lotus feet of Radharani.
भी नलायक हो जाएंगे।
For that dust particle, even Krishna gets very much greedy. So in Gokul, in Brahman Ghat, once Kanhaiya is thinking that whoever comes in my Braj,
ब्रज रज चाहिए, ब्रज
he always desires for Braj Raj, the dust of Braj, dust of Braj, dust of Braj.
सोचने लगे मेरा
Kanhaiya started thinking, oh, let me also taste it. What is the taste of this Braj? Let me check. So he took one handful of mud and he took in the mouth and he's sucking it very softly and with closed eyes, very much relishing it, sucking it slowly.
आनंद ले रहे हैं।
Now Kanhaiya is taking the bliss here, and on the other side,
सखाओं ने जाकर
the friends of Kanhaiya,
यशोदा मैया से शिकायत कर दी,
they
मैया
complain to Yashoda Maya, "Oh Maya,
माटी खा
listen. Today your Kanhaiya, he ate mud."
सिर पर हाथ
Yashoda Maya started beating her head out of
रोज तेरे बुलाने आते तूने माखन की चोरी की, आज उसकी मटकी
she
तोड़ दी,
became
आज
so
ये
much
किया।
distressed. It's like every day new complaint comes. Sometimes stealing butter, breaking pots, and today it's enough. Today he just crossed all boundaries. He ate mud.
और
This
कन्हैया
is
तो
so.
माटी खाते खाते बड़े आनंद से आ रहे।
I
और
cannot
सामने
tolerate
जैसी
this.
मैया
Now
के
Yashoda
सामने
Maya
आई,
is coming,
और
and Krishna is very nicely
मैया
relishing.
तेवर देखता है ना,
Now
वो समझ जाता
when
है।
Krishna saw the facial expressions of Yashoda Maya, he could understand that there is something wrong. And the mother also can understand the facial expression of Krishna.
है आज
Now they both understood that there is something fishy today. There is something,
जैसे कन्हैया सामने आए, मैया ने
something is
कुछ
hidden.
सीधा हाथ कान पर
So
दिया।
Maya, she did not speak any word. She just held the ears of Kanhaiya and started twisting it.
कौशल्या माता ने
See,
कभी राम जी
this
की
ever
बात
happened in Ram Leela? Did ever Kaushalya Maya twisted the ear of Ramji?
वो क्या मरोड़े?
Nursing Dev's parents are basically a pillar. So what they will do?
वो तो ब्रह्मा
Vara
जी के नाम से
Bhagwan,
निकले।
Vara Bhagwan came from the nose of Brahmaji.
ये तो किसी अवतार में नहीं हुआ, एक बात है कृष्ण लीला में
So this only happens in Krishna Leela, nowhere else.
कभी कृष्ण को भगवान
Yashoda
को
Maya
माना।
never ever considered Krishna as the supreme Lord. She always considered, oh, he's my Lala, he's my little boy.
इसलिए कान पकड़कर
So,
दो मरोड़ दिया।
Twisting the ears like this, having stick in the hand, saying, hey,
आज मैं क्या सुन रही हूँ?
Krishna, Kanhaiya, what I am listening today? And Kanhaiya, he just got so
तो
scared.
व्यक्ति नर्वस हो जाता है।
He got so nervous.
क्या सुना क्या सुना?
Krishna asked, what you heard? What you
तूने
heard?
मिट्टी खाई है?
I heard you ate
मुंह
mud.
में मिट्टी का ढेला, मुंह बंद।
Now he already has a pile of mud inside his mouth, but the mouth
सच
is
बता, तूने आज
closed.
मिट्टी खाई?
Hey, tell me honestly, did you eat?
हम्म।
Kanhaiya with closed mouth, no.
सच बोल, तूने मिट्टी खाई?
Tell me honestly.
कन्हैया ने सोचा पर मैं
Kanhaiya
करता
thought,
गया तो
if
वही
I
होगा।
keep on saying like then Maya will just slap me like anything. I have to do something.
मिट्टी को
So
थोड़ा
he
सा
devised a
पीछे
plan.
करके,
He just
हल्का सा
shifted
मुंह
that pile of mud
मैया
behind
तेरे को किसने
his
कह दी
teeth
मैंने मिट्टी खाई?
on the side of his mouth, and he started speaking. Maya, who told you that I ate mud? Mother said, your friends just told me that you ate mud. Maya, never ever trust the words of these friends. They are complete dishonest people. Maya said, you are the only pure soul. You are the only personality who never speaks lie. Maya, I never speak lie. You don't
तेरे
know?
सखा ने आकर कह दिया तूने
Hey,
रोटी खाई, मैया,
your friends
तेरे को सच
clearly
बात
told me
बताऊं
that you
क्या?
ate mud. Maya, let
मेरी
me tell
बात
you
तेरे
the
को
real
सुन।
fact. Listen to me
हाँ, बोल
first.
बोल।
Okay, speak.
मैया
Maya,
देख,
see,
ये जो मेरे सखा है ना,
these sakhas,
बड़े
these
झूठे
friends of
हैं,
mine, they are such
चोर
a
हैं,
great
एक
liar.
नंबर के।
They are thief.
ये क्या करते हैं पता है?
You know what they
रोज
do?
अपने घर से कुछ ना कुछ चुरा कर ले
Every
आते हैं।
day they just steal something
कहते
from
हैं,
their
"कन्हैया,
own
तू भी
house
खा, तू
and
भी
they
खा।"
tell me that Kanhaiya,
और
you
तेरे को
also
तो
eat,
पता है
you
मैं
also
चोरी
eat.
चीज़ इसको
And
हाथ
Maya,
नहीं लगाता।
you do know this that I never touch
मैं तो
anything which
चोरी
is
की
stolen.
चीज़ों को कोई हाथ तक नहीं
I
लगाता।
never touch
मैं
stolen
इनकी
things.
शिकायत तेरे से करने ही जा
I
रहा
was
था।
about to complain
इन्होंने
about
मेरी
them
शिकायत
to
कर दी।
you,
इतने चालाक हैं ये।
but they
इनकी
already
बात समझ
complained
में नहीं
about me to you so that they cannot get,
आता।
so
मैया
they
ने
do
कहा,
not
"चल,
get, they do
सखों
not
की
stuck
बात
with
नहीं
my
मानती।
complaints.
तेरे बड़ा
So
भाई
Maya said,
दाऊ,
okay, fine. I do not trust
बलदेव
your
जी रह
friends.
गया है,
But
दुनिया आज मिट्टी
your
की।
big brother
अब
Dau also, he told this that you
ओहो
ate
मैया,
mud.
ये दाऊ की बात तो
Oh,
बिल्कुल
oh
सच
Maya,
है।
don't at all, do not at all trust the words
क्यों?
of
ये भी
Balaram
झूठा
ji.
है।
This Dau ji, he is also
अब
such a
कन्हैया
great
कहता है,
liar.
ये तो नहीं बोल सकता, दाऊ झूठा है।
Now Kanhaiya started thinking that I
बड़े
cannot
भाई
really
को
say
मैया
that
था,
he is a liar because he is my elder brother. So
भैया
he said
ये
that,
दाऊ ना ऊपर
Maya,
से तो गोरा
sorry,
गोरा है ना, अंदर से
actually
पूरा काला काला है।
this Dau from outside
बात
is very
समझिए।
fair, but from inside is very
और मैं
dark.
जो तुझको ऊपर से काला
And
काला
me,
दिखता हूँ ना,
I
अंदर
am
से
dark
पूरा
from
गोरा
outside,
गोरा।
but from inside I am very fair.
बात को घुमा गई।
So Kanhaiya twisted the word, twisted the
भैया ने
topic.
क्या काला गोरा लगा रखा है?
Maya
क्या
said, hey,
मतलब?
what is this dark fair, dark fair,
वास्तव में कन्हैया ये कहना चाहते हैं,
black and white?
बलराम बलदेव जी ऊपर
Now
से गोरे
Kanhaiya
गोरे
is
हैं,
trying to
उनका
say
रंग गोरा
that
है।
Baldev ji is white from outside and black from inside. Means
उस काले को ही
I am black. Kanhaiya is saying that I am black. So Dauji always keeps this black thing, this Krishna, like me, in his heart. And I am black from outside. From inside I am completely white because
किसको बसाते हैं?
whom I have in my heart?
अरे कन्हैया के मन
I
में
have
कौन है?
Radharani in my heart.
बड़े सुस्त
So
सुस्त
from
में
inside
राधा-
I am very fair.
कौन है कन्हैया के मन में?
Who is inside the heart?
और राधा जी के मन में कौन है?
And who is there in the heart of Radha ji?
राधा जी
के मन में बसे घनश्याम, बसे घनश्याम,
शाम की मुरलिया में राधा जी को नाम।
राधा जी के मन में बसे घनश्याम, बसे घनश्याम, श्याम की मुरलिया में राधा जी को नाम।
राधा जी के मन में बसे घनश्याम, बसे घनश्याम, शाम की मुरलिया में राधा जी को नाम।
राधा जी के मन में बसे घनश्याम, बसे घनश्याम, श्याम की मुरलिया में राधा जी को नाम।
और शाम की मुरलिया में राधा जी को नाम।
श्याम की मुरलिया में राधा जी को नाम।
शाम की मुरलिया में राधा जी को नाम।
ओ श्याम की मुरलिया में राधा जी को नाम।
भैया बंद कर दो, नाचने आ गए।
Stop it. They came for dancing. Just stop it. If they start dancing, then I'll not be able to speak. Please sit down, sit down. Let us do katha.
मैं तो कीर्तन वही रोक दिया, क्योंकि एक
So I just stopped the
कीर्तन
kirtan because if kirtan starts, then half hour is gone. Half an hour is gone.
तो कन्हैया बड़े गर्व से कह रहे हैं, देखो भैया,
So Kanhaiya is saying with
मेरे-
so much
मैं
pride,
ऊपर से काला काला,
Maya,
अंदर से गोरा हूँ,
I
मैं
am
तो
black
राधा
from
जी को
outside,
बताता
but white from inside. He meant that I have Radharani in my heart.
हूँ। लेकिन भैया क्या समझे,
But
काला
what
गोरा
Maya
काला?
is not understanding. What is
अब
this black
कन्हैया
and
सोच
white?
रहे
What
हैं,
black and
भैया,
white?
अगर बार-बार इस माटी
No,
के पीछे
Kanhaiya
पड़
is
जाएंगे
thinking
ना,
that if Maya will just
ये
keep
इतनी
on
जल्दी
talking about
चीजों
this
में
mud,
घुलने वाली चीज तो है
then my mud,
ये
it
कोई-
will not get melted and go inside my throat so fast.
ये कोई गुलाब
It
जामुन
takes
थोड़ी
time.
है।
It's not jaggery, it's not gulab jamun, which can just melt and can be swallowed. But I have so much mud in my mouth, it takes time to swallow. So Kanhaiya is so clever.
सोच रहे हैं मैया की
He is thinking
attention
that
divert
let
कर
me
दें।
divert the attention of
इनका
Maya.
ध्यान ना बट जाए, कहीं और कर दिया जाए, तो मैया भूल जाएगी
Let me change the
कि आज की
topic
समस्या
and
क्या
then
हुई।
Maya will forget for
पूरी
what
भूल जाएगी।
she was angry.
तो कन्हैया ना देखो कैसे नाटक के बच्चे
So
बड़े
Kanhaiya,
चालाक होते हैं।
see, children are very, 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 very clever. So
कन्हैया है तो
Kanhaiya,
परब्रह्म,
he is Parabrahma,
लेकिन इस समय एक
but
साधारण
at this
बालक की
point he
तरह
is
नटखट लीला कर रहे हैं।
performing childhood pastime, mischievous childhood pastime. So that's
श्रुति
why
अपारे स्मृति
a
करे,
devotee said,
भारत अनंत भाव भज बिता,
Ragupati
अहम
Upadhyaya said,
इहानंद वंदे यस्यालिंद परब्रह्म। वो तो ये श्रुतियां स्मृतियां महाभारत
these Shrutis, Smritis, Mahabharata, Ved, Puran, they keep on saying so much to Shri Krishna. Let them say, Aham Ihanandam
हम तो
Vande.
नंद जी की वंदना करते हैं
We
और
worship
नंद
the
जी के
lotus
आंगन
feet
की
of
वंदना
Nand
करते
Baba
हैं।
and we worship
इस आंगन
the
में
courtyard
जो
of Nand
परब्रह्म
Baba,
है,
where
जो वो कृष्ण
that
है,
Parabrahma,
वो
that
साधारण
Shri
बालक की
Krishna,
तरह
he,
छोटी-छोटी ऐसी लीलाओं
like an
को करते
ordinary
हैं।
child, he
परब्रह्म
performs pastimes like an ordinary child, that Parabrahma.
इसलिए कन्हैया बड़े चतुर
So
थे।
Kanhaiya
सोचा,
is
मैया
very
का ध्यान
clever,
हट जाएगा।
thinking that, oh, Maya's attention will be diverted. So what Kanhaiya is saying,
फिर कोई
Maya,
बात बताऊं?
let me tell you one
क्या?
thing. Okay,
अपनी
what?
बात को घुमा रहे हैं। मिट्टी
Now
वाली बात को
he
हटाना
is
है।
twisting the topic.
मिट्टी के ऊपर मिट्टी डालनी है। वो तो एक बात बताऊं,
So he is hiding that mud topic. He is saying that,
दाऊ है ना,
this Dao,
ये मेरे को
how
बड़ा
to say,
चिढ़ाता है।
okay, I'll tell you, Maya, this Dao, he teases me so much.
वो तो
Oh,
दाऊ
what
मेरे
he
को इसलिए
says?
चिढ़ाता है, बोलते हैं, कन्हैया
Dao
देख,
says like this, that, oh, Kanhaiya, see,
तू है काला,
you are very black, you are very dark.
तू कहाँ से आ गया ये पता नहीं।
See, we do
तेरी
not
माँ
know
ने
from
तेरे को
where you have
कहीं
come.
से उठा कर लाई है।
It seems that your mother has found you somewhere and she has brought you home.
अभी कथा में कोई नहीं आई, प्लीज बीच में कोई ना आए। क्या बोल रहा था?
What I was saying?
कि कथा में बीच में जरूर आना होगा। कहते हैं कि
See, it has been said,
देखो सारा भाव खत्म कर देते हो। बोलो श्री राधा रानी की। बोलते कन्हैया तेरे को तेरी मैया कहीं से उठा कर लाई।
oh Kanhaiya, Balramji says, your mother has found you somewhere because your mother also is fair. Your mother also is fair. From where you came, such dark person?
वो तो काला है इसलिए
You are so dark.
तो यशोदा मैया की संतान
So obviously you are not the son of Yashoda Maya.
उठा कर लाया गया।
You have been brought from somewhere outside.
अब इतनी गहरी बात अगर बालक कर
Now, if someone says such
दे,
deep
तो मैया
thing,
चिंता में तो पड़ जाती है।
then the mother becomes worried, obviously. So this is all the cleverness of Kanhaiya, just to divert the focus and attention of Maya from my mud eating.
तो मैया तू सच्ची सच्ची बता, क्या मैं तेरा बाप
Maya,
सही हूँ?
you tell me
क्या तूने
honestly,
मेरे को जन्म नहीं दिया?
am I not
तूने
your son?
मेरे को
Did you
बाप
not
से
give me
बड़ा
birth?
नहीं किया?
Did you not nourish me and grew me? So
सच्ची
he
बता
started
मैया, तू
acting
कैसे
like
तू
anything.
भाग आई?
Maya, tell me honestly,
कौन सी
did you
जगह
find
से
me
भाग
somewhere?
आई?
From where
मुझे
did you
नाम
find
बता।
me? Tell me the name of that place.
मैया ने कह दी
Maya
कन्हैया,
said, Kanhaiya,
ना ना ऐसी
no,
बात
no,
नहीं
no, no,
बालक,
my
आप
son,
मेरे पास।
it's not like that.
सिर्फ
Just come to me.
तू मेरा ही
Started
बालक है।
hugging Kanhaiya, saying that, oh, you are my son only. I have not brought you from somewhere. You took birth from my womb only, Kanhaiya.
मैया फिर ये दाऊ मेरे को
Maya,
बहुत ही जाता है।
then this Dao, he teases me so much. Why he say like this every day that you have been found,
अब मैंने भी ना
you are brought from outside. But I have now decided that
मैं भी उनको मजा चखाऊंगा।
I will also give nice lesson to Daoji and all the sakhas, all the friends. Maya asked, what is your plan? Said, I have also planned this. See,
गोरी सी बहू ले आ बस।
you do one thing, you just bring a very fair complexioned girl
तू घर में ना
in
गोरी
our
सी बहू
house,
ले आ बस।
like
फिर मैं भी ना
daughter-in-law, your daughter-in-law,
छाती चौड़ी करके
so that you get me married with her, and then I can,
देख,
with
मेरी पत्नी तो
so much pride, I can say that if I am black, so what? My wife is so fair. See, so Maya, you just arrange my marriage. Maya said, oh, you want to get married? Yes, yes, Maya. So have you searched some girl? Maya, oh, what to talk about this? You can just choose yourself. One point is there that she should be very fair. But there is also one thing that I have thought. There is one very beautiful gopi of Vraj. I am just sharing with you. You can check. What is her name? What is her name? I just forgot. Oh, you know that king of Braj. What was the name? The king of Braj. My friends were telling me. I'm forgetting. Oh, Vrishbhanu. They were telling about this.
उनकी एक बड़ी सुंदर एक कन्या है।
Vrishbhanu. He has a very beautiful daughter. What was her name?
कुछ ऐसे था, कुछ
What
धारा,
was some
धारा बहती थी,
some wave,
कुछ ऐसा वैसा कुछ नाम
something.
याद नहीं आ रहा भैया।
I'm not able to recall, Maya.
दिमाग पे जोर लगा, याद
Maya
आ
said, "Oh, you just focus, Kanhaiya, focus. You will remember." So Maya also is very clever. She knows that Krishna is doing the acting.
एक धारा बहती है।
Maya, you know that Dhara, some river, some Dhara. Oh, Radha. Oh, that Radha naam. Yes, that Radha is it.
मैं पता नहीं क्यों नदी जमुना
I don't know why I was just confused. Yes, it is named Radha. Yeah, something like Radha. I have heard that she is very nice. She is very qualified.
बहू बन सकती है।
She is very beautiful. She can be your perfect daughter-in-law. And Maya, just see. If she will come, she will help you in your household chores. Every day, you from morning to night, you are so busy milking the cows, making the butter. Now, when the daughter-in-law will come, she will massage your lotus feet. She will serve you only. What I will get? I will not get anything, Maya. You only will get everything. So you just get my marriage arranged.
इसलिए ही कि मैं ब्याह
See,
करना चाहता हूँ।
not because I want to get married, just so that I can show Daoji that see my wife is so fair. Then everyone's mouth will be shut, Maya.
मैया ने कहा, अच्छा चलो
Maya
मैं
said,
विचार करती हूँ।
"Oh,
तेरे
okay.
पापा से बात
I will
करती
think
हूँ।
about
पापा से मत करियो।
Oh, I will talk about this to your father." Krishna said, "No, don't talk to the father. This is our personal talk."
ये बता, तूने मिट्टी खाई?
Now Maya said, "Okay, we will discuss later. First tell me, did you eat mud?"
देखकर फिर मिट्टी पे आ गई।
Now Kanhaiya thought, "Oh my God." I tried to divert the attention. Now she came back again on the same topic. That did I eat mud or not? Then Kanhaiya, he started another plan.
कॉन्फिडेंस है, आत्मविश्वास
With so much
से
confidence, if someone is said, everyone believes it. So Kanhaiya
उसको
thought,
माने कि तू सच्ची बोल रहा है। इसलिए बड़े आत्मविश्वास से कन्हैया ने कहा, मैया ना हम भक्षिता अम्बा।
Kanhaiya just spoke with so much confidence. Naham bhakshita
यदि
amba.
सत्य ग्रही समक्ष भक्ष में मुखम। मैया मैंने माटी नहीं
Maya,
खाई, मैंने
I
माटी
did
नहीं
not
खाई।
eat mud.
तेरा
I did
विश्वास
not
नहीं,
eat mud.
मेरा मुख
If
खोल।
you do not trust me, you can just
जब मैं ये कहूंगा,
see
मेरा
my
मुख खोल के
mouth.
देख ले,
I can open my mouth in front of
तो
you.
भैया कहेगी सच्ची कह रहा होगा।
When I will say like this, Maya will believe that I am saying honestly. So my Kanhaiya said with so much confidence that Maya, I have not eaten mud. You can check.
अब तो फंस गए।
Now Kanhaiya,
अब मैंने
Maya
अपना
said,
मुख खोला तो क्या
"Okay, show me." Now Kanhaiya, he got
हुआ?
stuck.
उसी समय भगवान की
Now at that
जो
time,
लीला शक्ति है,
the pastime potency of the
उन्होंने
Lord,
विचार किया
she thought
कि यशोदा मैया कभी
that
माने ही ना कि
Yashoda
कन्हैया
Maya
भगवान है।
never considers
आज
that
यशोदा
Kanhaiya
मैया
is
विश्वास
Bhagwan.
लाई ही देती
I
हूँ
will today
कि
make her
तेरा
believe
कन्हैया
that your
साधारण
Kanhaiya,
बालक
oh
नहीं,
Maya,
ईश्वर
your
है।
Kanhaiya is not an ordinary
और
boy, he is
कन्हैया ने जैसे ही
Supreme
अपना
Lord
मुख खोला,
himself. So when Kanhaiya opened the mouth,
यशोदा मैया ने
as
क्या
soon as he
देखा?
opened, what Yashoda Maya saw, inside the mouth of Kanhaiya there were millions and trillions of
और
universes
मैया ने देखा,
floating.
मैं भी कन्हैया के मुंह में
And she was seeing that she herself was in the mouth of Kanhaiya.
हूँ। और ऐसा देखकर
And she
मैया
was
को
seeing inside the mouth of Kanhaiya, inside the mouth of
कन्हैया को
Kanhaiya.
कोई पूतना, कोई राक्षस
So,
की उसके अंदर प्रवेश
Maya
करेगी।
got so
हाय मेरे बालक का
scared,
क्या
thinking
होगा?
that, oh,
ये देखकर
some
यशोदा मैया तो मूर्छित होकर गिर पड़ी।
demoness like Putana has entered into my Kanhaiya's body. So she got fainted out of care. But at that time also, she did not believe that my Kanhaiya is the Supreme Lord. She is saying from her own eyes that so many universes are there inside the mouth of Kanhaiya, but still she is not able to believe it because of the pure parental affection towards Krishna. Pure Vatsalya love. So like this beautiful childhood pastime, performing like this, Shri Krishna is present in Braj. That's why Shukdev Goswami said,
हरि निवास आत्मगुणो रामा किणो अभो निपा। एक इशारे से इंगित से राधा जी की जन्म गाथा को कह दिया।
he just spoke the whole pastimes, birth pastime of Radha ji by just one shloka. He said that, oh, since the time Krishna took birth in Gokul, this Gokul has become the playground of Lakshmi ji. Here, Rama, the meaning of Lakshmi, the meaning of Rama is the playground of Radha ji. So do you want to hear the birth pastime of Radha ji? Who all wants to hear? All glories to Radha Rani. First let us hear one bhajan, and then we will hear the birth pastime of Radha ji.
एक भजन सुनते हैं। अच्छा, ये जो अभी लोग आ रहे हैं उनका वहीं पर ही बिठा दो, आगे मत आने दो। इसलिए आप लोग उस पैसेज को ही बंद कर दो। राजेंद्र आगे से आ जाओ। ना प्रभु जी लोग क्या बोले, स्पीड से आगे आ जाओ। प्रभु जी लोग थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ। हरि बोल। बोल। श्री राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा जय जय राधा रमण जय जय नवल किशोर प्रभु जय गोपी चित चोर प्रभु जय जय माखन चोर वृंदावन को वास भयो जहाँ नित्य भये यमुना महारानी हमें औरन की परवाह नहीं अपनी ठकुरानी श्री अधिकारानी श्रीमती राधा रानी की बल बरसाने वाली की जय 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 श्री राम। हाँ मेरी विनती यही है राधा रानी कृपा बरसाए रखना महारानी कृपा बरसाए रखना हो मुझे तेरा ही सहारा महारानी हाँ मुझे तेरा ही सहारा महारानी चरणों से लिपटाए रखना। क्या बोलना है? कृपा आवाज नहीं आ रही कृपा बरसाएगा। ठीक है, तब कृपा करके सुनिए जब मुख से राधे राधे बोलोगे। ठीक है, सब बोलेंगे तो हाथ तालों के साथ बरसाने वाली श्री राधा राधा जय राधा श्री राधा राधा जय राधा श्री राधा राधा जय राधा श्री राधा ओ मेरी विनती यही है राधा रानी कृपा बरसाए रखना महारानी
बरसाए रंग श्री राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा ओ राधा बोलो बोलो दुनिया के झूठे नाते सारे किशोरी तेरे दर पे आ गया महारानी किशोरी तेरे दर पे आ गया श्री राधा राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा वो छोड़ दुनिया के झूठे नाते सारे किशोरी तेरे दर पे आ गया महारानी किशोरी तेरे दर पे आ गया राधा रानी किशोरी तेरे दर पे आ गया बोला की राधा श्री राधा नाम वाली राधा श्री राधा नाम वाली बोला की राधा श्री राधा नाम वाली राधा श्री राधा नाम वाली लगाए रखना कृपा हो राधा रानी कृपा जोर से बोलना पड़ेगा राधा 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 श्री राधा 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 श्री राधा श्री राधा ओ राधा बोलो श्री राधा ओ राधा श्री राधा
कौन सा सर्वगम नाम सुनने को श्रवण मिला? बोलिए, क्या बोले? राधे जय जय श्री, जय जय श्री। हाँ, राधे राधे बोलिए। ओ तेरे नाम के रंग में रंग मैं डोलूं ब्रज गलियन, राधा रानी मैं डोलूं ब्रज गलियन, हे महारानी मैं डोलूं ब्रज गलियन। ओ मैंने तुमको पुकारा महारानी, तुमको पुकारा श्री राधे, श्री राधे, श्री राधे। मैंने तुमको पुकारा ब्रज रानी, मैंने तुमको पुकारा ब्रज रानी, चरणों से लिपटाए रखना। अब दोनों हाथ हारो एक बार जोर से। श्री राधा 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 श्री राधा, श्री राधा, श्री राधा, ओ राधा, श्री राधा। दोनों हाथों को उठाइए एक बार। राधा रानी से बोलिए मुख से जोर से, ये मेरी श्री राधे सब द्वारन को छाड़ के मैं आया तेरे द्वार, हे विष्णु भानु दुलारी, हे विष्णु की दुलारी, निकल मेरी ओर एक दृष्टि बस, जीवन सफल, वो जीवन सफल करना है तो लोग तो बोलो जय राधे श्री राधे बरसाने वाली राधे, राधे श्री राधे बरसाने वाली राधे, श्री राधे श्री राधे बरसाने वाली राधे, राधे श्री राधे बरसाने वाली राधे, ज्ञान तुम्हारी राधे, भक्तों की प्यारी राधे, भक्तों की प्यारी राधे, वो श्यामा प्यारी राधे, श्यामा प्यारी राधे, वृंदावन में राधे, वो वृंदावन में राधे, कुंज गलिन में राधे, कुंज गलिन में राधे, अरे पीछे वाला राधे, हाथ आगे जोर से वाला राधे, भक्तों की प्यारी राधे, वो श्यामा प्यारी राधे, राधे श्री राधे बरसाने वाली राधे, राधे बरसाने वाली राधे, वो राधे श्री राधे बरसाने वाली राधे, राधे श्री राधे बरसाने वाली राधे, श्री राधा, श्री राधा, श्री राधा, ओ राधा, श्री हो वृंदावन में इस समय आपके हाथ है। अरे दादे जोर से बोलिए, पीछे वाले भी, पीछे वाले भैया बड़े कंजूसी कर रहे हैं, बहुत कंजूसी कर रहे हैं। बोलिए हो वृंदावन में, वृंदावन में, ओ हरिद्वार में, ओ हरिद्वार में, श्री गंगा किनारा, श्री गंगा किनारा, हो निर्मल धारा, श्री निर्मल धारा, राधे 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 श्री राधे श्री राधे जय राधा श्री राधा बरसाने वाली राधा बरसाने वाली राधा श्री राधे बरसाने वाली राधा बरसाने वाली राधे बरसों की प्यारी राधे बरसों की प्यारी राधे बरसों की प्यारी राधे। 2 मिनट के बाद देखो अब क्या हो रहा है। कन्हैया भी राधे राधे महाराज ने बताया ना कि वृंदावन में श्री ठाकुर जी राधे राधे नाम लेके नृत्य करते हैं, ठीक है। अब कन्हैया भी कूद पड़े नृत्य करने के लिए, हाथ है क्या कर रहे हैं। वृंदावन में कुंज भवन में नाच कर धरला, वृंदावन में कुंज भवन में नाच कर धरला, वृंदावन में कुंज भवन में नाच कर धरला, वृंदावन में कुंज भवन नाच कर धरला, वृंदावन में कुंज भवन नाच कर धरला। ओ कैसी सुकुमार रे, कैसी सुकुमार, कैसी सुकुमार रे, कैसी सुकुमार, ओ कैसी सुकुमार रे, कैसी सुकुमार, कैसी सुकुमार रे, कैसी सुकुमार। जय राधे 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 हरे कृष्ण।
वहीं बैठ जाते फिर नाचना पड़ेगा, एक ही जगह बैठेगा। बोलो श्री राधा रानी की। अब बड़े प्रेम से, ध्यान से और श्रद्धा से राधा जी की जन्म गाथा को श्रवण करते हैं, जिसको सुनने से पाप ताप तो बड़ी दूर की बात है, जिसको श्रवण करने मात्र से और उन्होंने कुंड में एक कमल का पुष्प देखा, खिला हुआ कमल का कोमल कोमल पुष्प, और उस कोमल पुष्प पर
So Vrishabhanu Maharaj
बड़े कोमल आंगी
saw a big lotus flower. On
जिनके
that
फूल बड़े
lotus
सुंदर और
flower
कोमल और बड़ी आभा निकल रही हैं।
there was this
ऐसे शी एक बालिका
little
उस कमल के पुष्प पर
beautiful,
तिलकाएं
splendorous girl child who was
विष्णु
playing
महाराज
on that
तैर
lotus
करके
flower. Vrishabhanu
कमल के
Maharaj
पुष्प से उस छोटी सी बालिका को उठाया और चारों ओर देखने लगे, ये किसकी लाली है? अरे कौन इसका पिता है?
Vrishabhanu Maharaj started
पता नहीं लग रहा
hearing,
कि किसकी
started
बालिका है।
seeing that whose girl child it is. They are not able to understand whose girl child it is.
तो विश्वभानु महाराज ने विचार किया,
Vrishabhanu Maharaj thought,
हम ही इस बालिका को
that
ले जाएंगे और हम इसका
I
पालन
will
पोषण
only take
करेंगे।
this little girl child and I'll only
इस विचार से श्री विश्वभानु महाराज जी
nourish
इस बालिका
her.
को उठाए घर ले आए।
So with this understanding,
अपनी पत्नी
Vrishabhanu
कीर्तिदा
Maharaj
देवी
ji, he lifted that girl child and brought her in the home.
मुझको बड़ी सुंदर ये बालिका प्राप्त हुई है।
So he thought that what is
तो माता कीर्तिदा पूछने लगी, किसकी लाली है? वो तो ये तो नहीं जानते किसकी लाली है, लेकिन हमको मिली है। वो तो इतनी सुंदर लाली आज तक हमने नहीं देखी, हम ही इसका लालन पालन करेंगे। और सुनो जी, हम किसी को नहीं बताएंगे
So,
हमको बालिका प्राप्त हुई।
Vrishabhanu
अपने
Maharaj
घर
is
के आंगन में ही
saying
इनको रखेंगे।
that
बस ये बातचीत ही
I
कर
don't
रहे
know from where I have got
हैं।
this.
इतने में वीणा बजावत, हरि गुण गावत और प्रेम प्रसावत।
So Nand
वीणा
Narad
बजाते
Muni,
हुए
he
और
came
हरि गुण गान करते हुए श्री नारद जी चले
in
आए।
the house of Vrishabhanu Maharaj and
और जैसे श्री नारद जी
Kirtida
आए,
Devi.
विश्वभानु तो राजा हैं, खड़े होकर नारद जी का
as
अभिनंदन स्वागत
Narad ji
किया।
came, so Vrishabhanu Maharaj ji he stood up and welcomed Narad Muni.
नारद जी कहने लगे, हे विश्वभानु
Narad ji
महाराज,
started saying that, oh Vrishabhanu Maharaj,
क्या आपको हाल ही में कोई संतान
that
प्राप्त
have you attained a girl child
देखो
recently?
नारद जी खोज रहे हैं, क्या खोज रहे हैं? जहाँ पर शक्तिमान कृष्ण ने
Narad ji
जन्म
is
लिया,
searching for the potency.
वहीं पर श्री
He is thinking that the place where
श्री राधा जी ने भी
Shri,
कहीं जन्म लिया
where
होगा,
Shaktiman, Krishna himself has taken birth, there
लेकिन वो कहाँ है?
the potency also must
इसी
have
को
taken
ढूंढते
birth.
ढूंढते नारद जी सीधा यहीं पर आ गए। तो बतलाइए, आपको कोई संतान हुई? श्री विश्वभानु जी ने कहा, हाँ हमारे यहाँ पर एक बालक है, उनका नाम श्री राम है। नारद जी ने कहा, बालक कोई बालिका हुई है? तो उन्होंने कह दिया हाँ। विचार करने लगे, यदि हमने झूठ कह दिया तो गुरु
Narad ji
चरणों में
came
अपराध है।
from outside. Now
इसलिए सच्ची
Vrishabhanu
सच्ची बात
Maharaj
है,
thought
हाँ,
that
नारद जी हमको
I cannot
आज
really
भी
lie in front of Guru
बड़ी
Jan.
सुंदर एक
I cannot
बालिका
lie in front of Narad Muni.
नारद जी
I
ने
cannot
कहा,
say
क्या
that,
मैं
oh
बालिका
no,
देख
I have
सकती
not got
हूँ? विश्वभानु
this
जी उस बालिका
girl
श्री
child. He
नारद
said,
जी
yes,
को
I have attained one girl
भीतर
child.
ले गए, जहाँ पर
So
प्रकोष्ठ में एक पलंग
Vrishabhanu
में
Maharaj took Narad ji
एक
inside the
सुंदर
bedroom
बालिका
where that little girl child was
शयन कर रही है, सो रही है।
sleeping. So
श्री नारद जी ने सीधा का सीधा राधा जी के उन बालिका के
श्री-
चरणों को देखा।
Narad ji he entered inside the room and saw the lotus
और
feet
चरणों
of
में जो चरण चिन्ह है,
Radharani and he was seeing
उसका
the
दर्शन किया।
signs of Radharani
देखो राधा जी के चरणों में
on the lotus feet. See,
19 प्रकार के चरण चिन्ह हैं।
on the lotus feet of Radharani there are
श्री
19
कृष्ण
types
के
of
चरणों में भी 19 चरण चिन्ह हैं। 11
signs,
और
19
8,
signs,
दोनों चरण।
11 and 8. Krishna also has
इन चरण
19.
चिन्हों से
So from these signs of the lotus feet, Narad ji could understand
आधार
that
शक्ति है,
she is that
यही वो राधा रानी है।
foundational potency, that she is the that Radharani whom I was searching.
बोलो जय जय।
All glories to Srimati Radharani.
थोड़ा आवाज कम आ रही है। बोलो जय जय श्री।
Radhe.
थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम बढ़ाएंगे। जय जय श्री। नारद जी ने सीधा का सीधा चरण चिन्ह को देखा।
Narad ji directly saw the lotus feet of Radharani, and seeing the lotus feet, he understood that this is that Radharani whom I was searching for so
लेकिन
long.
अपने हृदय की बातों को कहना है तो कैसे कहें? साथ में विश्वभानु जी खड़े हैं, तो विश्वभानु महाराज ने कहा नारद जी ये
But he
बात
cannot
हमको
express.
प्राप्त हुई है।
So now
पता नहीं किसकी बालिका है,
Vrishbhanu Maharaj is
लेकिन
standing,
बस इसको अब हम ही रखेंगे। ये बालिका हमको प्राप्त
and he told Narad ji that we have somehow attained this beautiful girl child, so we will keep her with us only. She is so beautiful, but since the time we have attained her, she is not opening her eyes. Her eyes are closed. So if she is so beautiful, then the eyes also must be so beautiful. We really want to see those eyes.
आप कुछ कीजिए,
You
आशीर्वाद
do
दीजिए।
something, oh Narad ji. Please give some blessings. So Narad ji said, okay, fine.
इतनी बड़ी एक लिस्ट बना दी।
He created a very big list. He said that bring all this samagri, I will give blessings and your girl child will open the eyes. So Narad ji deliberately created a huge list so that Vrishbhanu Maharaj can get busy in arranging all the ingredients, and in the meantime I can worship my worshipable Srimati Radharani. So he said bring turmeric, rice, flour, whatever, all these many things. Vrishbhanu Maharaj said, yes, Narad ji, I will just go and arrange for everything.
जैसे वो बाहर गए,
So as soon as he went outside,
हृदय की बात
Narad ji,
स्पष्ट रूप से खोल
he
कर राधा जी के चरणों
openly
में
said to Radharani at her lotus feet and said, O Radharani,
शक्तिमान कृष्ण का जन्म गोकुल में हुआ, मैं तो
Krishna,
ढूंढते ढूंढते
he has taken birth in Gokul, and I was
आपके
searching
श्री चरणों का मैं दर्शन कर रहा हूँ।
for the potency of Shri Krishna, and I finally came here. I am seeing your beautiful, beautiful Swarupa,
आपके श्री चरणों में
child Swarupa, infant Swarupa, but I want to see your
आपकी चरण धूल जिसको प्राप्त
young
हो गए,
form, your
उसका
Kishori
सारा
Swarup.
जीवन ही बदल
I
जाए।
really pray, because the one who attains the dust of your lotus feet, his life transforms completely.
उसको तो कृष्ण प्रेम प्राप्त हो जाए।
The
मैं
one
भी
who
आपकी
attains
चरण धूल
your
प्राप्ति करने के लिए आपके निकट आया
lotus
हूँ।
feet, one attains everything. So I am also here to attain the dust of your lotus feet. What to speak of your mercy? I just want one glance of your mercy,
जीवन सार्थक हो जाए।
and by that the life becomes completely successful.
देखो वृंदावन
See, in Vrindavan,
गोपेश्वर शिव जी का मंदिर है,
there is a temple of Gopeshwar Shivji.
नाम ही गोपेश्वर है।
The name itself is Gopeshwar.
गोपेश्वर मतलब
Gopeshwar
शिव जी
means
ने स्वीकार किया,
Shivji has accepted this,
मैं गोपियों का दास हूँ।
that I am the servant of gopis, and gopis are my worshipable. Gopi means Radha ji is my mistress, she is my master.
गोपेश्वर।
That's why the name is
उस
Gopeshwar.
शिव जी ने
So that Shivji,
राधा जी की महिमा सुनाते हुए एक
while glorifying Radha Rani,
राधा कृपा कटाक्ष का पाठ
he created Radha Kripa Kataksh. Why are
आपको
you?
जला दो ये मंत्र को। श्री शिव जी ने
Shri Shivji,
राधा जी की महिमा का दर्शन किया और शिव भी रह
He
नहीं पाए।
saw the glories of Radha Rani, and Shivji also could not bear. I already told Brahma ji, Narad ji, they are all waiting to attain the dust of Radha Rani's lotus feet.
जरा सोचकर बताना।
Now there is one pastime, just all of you think about
एक
it.
ऐसी लीला है जो भगवान
There is
श्री
one
कृष्ण
pastime
करते हैं,
which
कोई नहीं करता।
only Lord Shri Krishna do, no one else. What is that pastime?
हाँ? मैं
Ras
सोच रहा था किसी को कुछ नहीं पता।
I was thinking nobody knows anything here, but here big Rishi Munis and scholars are actually staying here. People from Himalayas, they have come here to hear Bhagavad Katha.
सारे ऋषि मुनि
big saints. It seems all the big saints are sitting here. It seems externally that ordinary males and females are present here, but everyone knows that Krishna's supreme pastime is Ras Leela.
क्यों बुलाया कथा में, ये सब
Oh
जानते हैं।
Gogyaji, why did you call us for this katha? Everyone knows everything.
शिव जी के मन में इच्छा हुई मैं भी
In the
नाच
Shivji's heart became very jubilant and he wanted to see Ras. But in Ras,
बाकी
there is only one male and all others are just the potency of Krishna. And Shivji also is a male.
तो एक ही पुरुष श्री कृष्ण है, दूसरा कोई पुरुष
So there is only one male which can enter Ras. But Shivji has this desire that I also want to see Ras. So Shivji took the shelter of Yog Mayaji. Oh Yog Mayaji, I really want to see Ras. She said, okay Mahadev Baba, you can just take a dip in this kunda, in this pond. So when he did, when he came out, he became like a female. Such a glorious water became female from male.
बड़ी सुंदर गोपी बन गई।
He became a very beautiful gopi.
तो योग माया पौर्णमासी जी ने कहा,
So Yog Maya Purnamasi said that you just sit here and see Ras, don't go near. So Shivji sat there and he is
और वहाँ
one pointedly looking towards the Lord and the gopis, and the Lord is performing Ras with the gopis. What is the meaning of Ras?
हो रहा है कीर्तन,
Where there is so much dancing, so much singing of the glories of the holy names of the Lord, that is called Ras.
जी बस देखे
So Shivji is continuously singing.
वही बात हो गई। और बड़ा अच्छा
So it appeared as if, oh,
और एक
you are eating very nice halwa puri, and a hungry person behind, he is just seeing with eyes wide open towards your plate.
तो आपको खाया पिया
So,
क्योंकि उसे नजर
will you feel comfortable eating in front of such person? No. So when Shyam Sundar is performing such a beautiful ras with all the gopis, now Shivji is behind the bushes, Shivji is looking towards this ras with eyes wide open. So Krishna stopped and saying that I am really not comfortable. It seems that someone from outside has come and is speaking into our Ras Leela pastime. So the gopis, they are searching here and there and they found this one gopi, new gopi, who is behind the bushes. So all the gopis they collected and asked this new gopi.
तेरा नाम क्या है?
They said, hey gopi, what's your name?
शिव जी को इतनी डिटेल
Now Shivji did not know so much of detailing.
सुंदर स्त्री
He just entered into the pond, he came out and he got a female body. But he do not know his own name as a gopi. He do not know his in-laws' place,
पता नहीं
his parents' place. Arey, at least tell your husband's name.
तेरे पति का नाम क्या है?
What is the name of your husband? Oh, I do not know that also. Oh, there is some mistake. There is some problem. There is some issue. She is a gopi and she does not know her husband's name, her village name.
गोपी लग रही है,
She looks like gopi,
उसके भी चिन्ह दिख
but I can see some signs of mustache or beard. Oh, okay. Stand up.
कॉलेज में रैगिंग होती थी।
In school, college, we used to have ragging, in which the seniors, they tease the juniors. So all these gopis, they said to this new gopi, hey, stand up and start walking.
चाल से पता लग जाएगा ये गोपी है कि नहीं।
By the walk itself, one will get to know that this is a gopi or not. So gopis, they walk very beautifully and Shiv starts doing a manly walk. Now seeing this,
गोपियाँ समझ गई ये तो कुछ गड़बड़
the gopis understood that there is a problem here. This is like a manly, very manly walk. So gopis started punching on the face of this new gopi.
क्या बोलते
In our Braj, what do we say?
ये दो चार को ही बताया गुलचे मारे आज सुबह कुलचे खाए थे ना तुमने
In the morning, everyone ate kulche.
कुलचे नहीं गुलचा
So not kulche, but gulche. Gulche means punching.
गोपियां में शिव जी को जो
So gopis, they started punching Shivji. And Shivji said, oh, protect me, save me, save me. So Yogmaya Purnamasi ji came and she started saying, stop, stop, stop. This is Shiva, who by my mercy has actually came to see Ras. Now he has seen Ras. Mahadev Baba, now you can go.
रुकोगे
If you stay here for some more time, then they will beat you nicely.
जो भागने लगे
So Shivji started running from there, but he paid obeisances to that dust of the Braj and started glorifying Radharani, saying, oh, that Parabrahma Shri Krishna, for whose dust of the lotus feet, we perform so much austerity.
गलबैया लेकर नृत्य कर रहे हैं,
He is
गान कर
performing
रहे हैं, अहो भाग्य है।
Ras, dancing with all these gopis and Radharani. Then Shri Shivji, he,
कृपा कटाक्ष का
in the glories of Radharani, he sang
कृपा कटाक्ष
Radha Kripa Kataksh to attain one sidelong glance of mercy. What he prayed.
त्रिलोक शोक हारिणी प्रसन्न वक्त्र पंकजे निकुंज भूविलास ब्रजेंद्र भानुनंदनी ब्रजेंद्र सोनु संगति कदा करे शशिवनं कृपा कटाक्ष भारतं नशोक वृक्ष भल्लरि विठान मंडपस्थिति प्रभाल माल भल्लम प्रधानि कोमले वरा भय सुरत्वरे भूप संप्रदाने कदा करे शशिवनं कृपा कटाक्ष भारतं मखेश्वरी देश्वरी स्वदेश्वरी सुरेश्वरी विवेद भारतेश्वरी प्रभाण शासनेश्वरी रमेश्वरी समेश्वरी प्रबोधकानलेश्वरी ब्रजेश्वरी ब्रजाधिके श्रीराधिके नमस्तुते ब्रजेश्वरी ब्रजाधिके श्रीराधिके नमस्तुते। शिवजी तो नाचने लगे।
So now Shivji started dancing. Brajeshwari Brajadhipe Shri Radhike Namostute. Oh Radhaji, I really pay obeisances to you. One Kripa Kataksh, just one sidelong glance of mercy, may I attain this. Now, Shivji, he sang this glories of Radharani. See, in Braj,
वो जो परब्रह्म श्री कृष्ण है,
that Parabrahma Shri
वो भी
Krishna,
राधा जी के चरणों में लोट-पोट खाते हैं।
he also just rolls down at the lotus feet of Radharani. Radharani has such a weapon
जो श्री कृष्ण के पास भी नहीं।
that Shri Krishna also does not
तो
have.
ये बताओ,
Now tell me this
श्री
thing.
कृष्ण के पास कौन सा ऐसा अस्त्र है
What
जो
is
किसी
that
प्रकार के
weapon that Shri Krishna has and no other incarnation has?
हैं?
What is that?
बांसुरी अस्त्र होता है।
Flute. Flute is a weapon.
श्री कृष्ण कौन से अस्त्र को धारण करते हैं?
What is that weapon that Shri Krishna
ये
has?
कौन सा होता है? सुदर्शन।
One is Sudarshan Chakra.
सुदर्शन चक्र। लेकिन राधा जी के हाथ में एक ऐसा
But in front of Radharani, in the hands of Radharani, there is one
कि वो सुदर्शन
weapon.
क्या सुदर्शन चलाने वाले भी
There is one weapon of Radharani
एकदम परास्त हो
through
जाते हैं।
which
बताओ कौन सा अस्त्र है? जो बताएगा ना
even Krishna gets defeated at once. If someone tells me, then
राधा जी के हाथ में
they will
कौन
get
सा
double
अस्त्र है?
prasadam. What is that weapon in the hands of Radharani?
गलत बोलोगे कल का भंडारा तुम्हारे नाम हो
If
जाएगा।
you speak wrong, then you will have to pay tomorrow's feast.
राधा जी के पास है मान का अस्त्र।
Radhaji has the weapon of sulkiness.
राधा जी मान करती हैं।
Radhaji show sulky mood. So sulky mood means getting little upset, lovingly upset,
वैसा दूर जाना नहीं।
lovingly angry. It's not general anger.
माताओं में कुछ एक इसलिए होता है।
This is something that females only have. Externally they show that, oh, I am very angry, I am very upset. From inside they are waiting, oh, when he will love me, when he will take care of me, when he'll break my anger. So Radharani, time to time she gets into sulky mood. Sometimes because of some reason or sometimes without reason. And Krishna starts loving Radharani. He starts putting attempts to break the
राधा जी वहाँ पर बैठी।
sulkiness of Radharani. For example, once in Chandra Sarovar, Radharani was waiting and Krishna was coming from the kunj of some other gopi. Which gopi? The counterpart of Radharani, that is Chandravali.
अब दिमाग में चंद्रावली
Now,
चल रही है।
in the mind, Chandravali is going on because Chandravali gave so much love to Krishna.
के मस्तक में चंद्रावली
Now,
चल रही है।
Krishna's mind is filled with
जैसे
Chandravali.
पहुंचे,
Now, when he came Chandra Sarovar, so Radharani asked, hey, why did you come so late?
सखा आगे थे।
So Krishna said, oh, some friends, they came in between, they started talking, we were eating something, and whatever coming in his mind, he's just speaking.
अच्छा छोड़ो।
He said, okay, leave.
राधा जी ने कहा चलो बताओ।
Tell me one thing.
मेरे मुख का सौंदर्य का वर्णन करो.
Describe the beauty of my face. How am I looking? As a person says, oh, you did not even give me any compliment that I am so beautiful. I did so much singar, but you did not even compliment me. So Radharani is asking Krishna, tell me how am I looking? How my face is looking? Now Krishna's mind is filled with Chandravali. So Krishna is saying, oh Radharani, your face is like Chandra. If we complete that word and say the name Chandravali, then Krishna will get Radharani will get really upset. So he just stopped there and said that your face is like Chandra. Chandra means moon. So your face is like moon. Now Radharani got really upset hearing this. That what? My face is like a moon. Means my face beauty keeps on decreasing like moon decreases every day. So my beauty also keeps on decreasing. I will not talk to you from now on. So Krishna started saying that no, I did not mean to say that. He said no. She said, I do not want to hear anything. There are so many spots on the moon. Do I also have spots on my face? You compared my face with moon. I will never talk to you now. Now Krishna is trying to please Radharani. No, Radha. Oh Radha, I did not want to say like this. No, I understood everything. Whatever you meant. Radharani, she stood up and she left. Now Krishna is running behind Radharani. Radharani is not breaking her sulkiness. Now walking like this, Radhaji reached her in-law's place. Where is the in-law house of Radharani? Everyone just stopped speaking. Someone is saying Vrindavan, someone is saying Haridwar. Radhaji's in-law is in Haridwar. Tell me. Gogya ji, why did you call us here for Bhagavad? Everyone knows here everything. Radhaji's in-law's place is Javat. Did Radhaji got married with Krishna? No. Sitaji got married with Ramji or not? Yes. It's crystal clear. Lakshmiji got married with Narayan. Radhaji did not get married with Krishna. Why? And in the whole world, in every street, we see the temple of Radha Krishna. Krishna got married with Rukmani, not with Radharani. And we don't find temples of Rukmani Krishna, but we find temples of Radha Krishna, although they never married. So what is this? Why did they never get married? Because for marriage, there is a requirement of two people, two different separate personalities. But these are not two separate, they are one.
हमारे बीच में
So
हरेंद्र मालिक जी की धर्म पत्नी और बहन आई हैं मुजफ्फरनगर से.
We have some special guests here. We want to welcome them.
ये 5 बार विधायक रह चुके हैं और 2
They have been in politics and
इनका बेटे जो
they have a very good political background.
पंकज हैं
And their
तीसरी बार भी विधायक हुए हैं.
son Pankaj,
सुनने
they have again won the elections.
गंगा जी के तट पर हमारे बीच में आए हैं. तालियों से स्वागत नहीं करना. अरे
Don't welcome them with the clapping.
अभी प्रसंग चल रहा है राधा जी का, तो राधे राधे बोलकर स्वागत करें.
Right now we will welcome them by saying Radhe Radhe.
बोलो श्री राधा रानी की
Jai Ho.
देखो हमारे ब्रज में तो ऐसे स्वागत होता है.
In our Braj, we welcome like this, not by clapping.
हमारा बड़ा सौभाग्य आप आए हैं.
Our great fortune that you came here, you came from so far.
श्री कृष्ण का विवाह राधा जी से तो हुआ नहीं.
Shri Krishna did not get married with Radha Rani. So what are these Radha Krishna? Krishna Purna Shaktiman, Radha Purna Shakti.
राधा की शक्ति है, कृष्ण शक्तिमान है.
Krishna is the potent, Radha Rani is the potency.
ज्योत है ना,
For example, there is this fire. In that fire, there is illumination also, and there is burning potency also. So if we remove illumination and burning potency from the fire, they will not listen. They will keep seeing what they are wearing. What did I say this? I said that in every fire lamp there are both things, burning potency and illumination. You cannot remove, you cannot separate them. In the same way, no one can separate Radha and Krishna. They are both one and the same. But to teach the whole world that what is love, they became two from one. From Krishna, his own potency took a separate form as Radharani to teach us, to show us that what is real love, what is unconditional love. Prem means unconditional love, where there is no condition, where there is nothing else said. It's not that, oh, Krishna is Bhagavan, so Radhaji loved Krishna. Radhaji do not even know that Krishna is Bhagavan. Gopis do not even know this. So that's why this is such an amazing love. And to show this, Krishna, he separated himself, his potency, in the form as Radharani. See, if a person just embraces one's own shadow, so will there be any fault? Now Krishna, when he performs Ras with Radharani, performing dance, performing love with Radharani, he is actually doing with his own shadow. So there is no fault in that. That's why in all the temples, Radha Krishna are worshipped together. This is the glories of Radharani. Radhaji, she entered into her house, and Shri Krishna, trying to please Radharani, he came till Javat, and he took the form of a sannyasi, disguised himself as sannyasi, and he started saying on the door, Bhiksham Dehi, give me some donation, give me some donation. Now Radharani told, the mother-in-law told Radharani, go, there is a sannyasi outside, just give some alms, just give some donation to him. Radharani said, I do not see any man's face, any other man's face. The mother-in-law said that, this is sadhu, this is just a saint. You can go and give something. The saint should not go empty-handed from our house. So Radharani collected everything, wheat, grains, rice, everything. When she came out to give the donation, Krishna was standing outside disguised as sannyasi and saying, please give me donation, give me donation. Radharani said, take this. Now Krishna, when he saw that Radharani is giving donation, he said, I do not want this donation. Then what you want? I want your sulkiness. Donate your sulkiness. I kneel down and I beg for your sulkiness. Please give me your sulkiness. Now Radharani said, hey, you come till here? And Radharani just threw all the rice, all the grains and everything on the head of Krishna and said that just go away. Now Krishna is trying his best to break the sulkiness, to please Radharani. So nearby there is this village called Kokilavan. Kokil means cuckoo bird. So cuckoo bird sings so nicely. Now Krishna, just near Javat in Kokilavan, in the voice of cuckoo bird, he started singing cuckoo, kuhu, kuhu. Why? So that Radharani can understand. So Radharani understood that Krishna is calling me, but Radharani is not able to come because the mother-in-law is stopping. That's why it was such a strong sulkiness which is very difficult to break. That's why I said that Radhaji has such a strong weapon in the hand that even Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, also cannot neutralize. He also has to put so much effort, and finally what he has to do? In the separation from Radharani, the poison of separation, it keeps on increasing and reaches up to head. And you know what Sri Krishna says? Smaragarala khandanam mama shirashi mandalam dehi pada pallavam udaram. See, it's a very true incident. A great saint, Shri Jayadev Goswami, he used to live with his wife who wrote Shri Gita Govind. He used to get the visions of Lord's pastime and he used to write from those visions. Now once he had this vision that Shri Krishna has actually gave up his crown and his flute and kept that at the lotus feet of Radharani, and he is praying to Radharani to please keep her lotus feet on my head. So Krishna is praying like this to Radharani. He is desiring Radharani to put her lotus feet on my head, on Krishna's head. Now when Jayadev Goswami, he saw this, he just could not believe. He was writing and he stopped. He started thinking that how can the Supreme Master of the whole world say that, please keep your lotus feet on my head? How can he say to Radharani like this? So he said, I cannot write this. I have to go out. I have to get my mind fresh. I will go out, he said to his wife, that I am going out to take bath. You can start cooking. Now when he went out, Krishna came disguised as Jayadev Goswami. Now the wife asked that, hey, you just came, you just went, now you again came? Now he said that, oh, there was something going on in my mind. I thought that I will forget it, so better I write it first. So Krishna himself wrote that point which Jayadev Goswami was hesitating so much to write. And he wrote himself. Lord came and he wrote himself. And in the meantime, the real Jayadev, original Jayadev Goswami, when he came back after taking bath, so the Brahmani, the wife, she said that what was that important point that you wanted to write, that you just went and came back and wrote? Now Jayadev Goswami said that I did not go out, I did not came back. So he got confused. Now when he saw the textbook, he found that Krishna himself came and finished that statement, Dehi Pada Pallavam Udaram, that, oh Radharani, please keep your lotus feet on my head. Why? Because your lotus feet are full of soothing, coolness, nectar, and the poison of separation that I am having, it has entered into my head. So please put your nectarian lotus feet on my head and pacify this poison of separation that has entered into my head. So have you ever heard these things? These are the moods of Braj. Not everyone say Radhe Radhe like this. Day and night, Radhaji chants the holy name of Krishna. Day and night, Radhaji chants, remembers the Lord Krishna. She is ready to die 100 times for Krishna. Her separation, her union, everything is so superior. And this is the reason that whoever comes to Vrindavan, they all just calls out Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe.